Hey guys, today let's learn how to fix the white screen problem on Instagram. So if you guys are wondering how to fix this white screen problem on the Instagram application, in this video tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how to fix this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright you guys, so what we need to do first in order for us to fix this issue that we are facing on Instagram is to make sure that we are using the latest version of Instagram before we start. Now, ensuring that we are using the latest version of Instagram will fix common bugs like this white screen problem and also give us the best user experience possible. So I would like you guys to proceed with searching the Instagram application on the App Store and making sure that you are using the latest version of Instagram. If you do have an update available, go ahead and proceed with updating as well so that you're gonna fix problems like this. One more thing that we could also do to solve this issue is clearing the cache of Instagram. And doing this on the iPhone is pretty easy because what we need to do first is to launch the settings application and then tap on general, tap on iPhone storage, and I want you to go ahead and scroll to the Instagram application. Now I want you to tap on offload app and then proceed with offloading the application. And from here, just tap on reinstall again, and that will basically ultimately remove the cache of the application. And essentially that is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching and take care.